Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Krita tutorials how to do animation. We can create new file and I will use default template settings. Click use this template button. And now I will show for animation timeline. We can go to setting and in a darkers we can click on animation timeline. So to be shown in the bottom here. Next you can right click in the timeline and then choose create a blank frame. Create again in here for blank frames. At this point I will create into 5 blank frame. After it you can go into first blank frame and then I will draw rectangle like a star from this point. This you also can active in this option to show the last drawing. Then I will click in the second blank frame, we draw again rectangle at this point. Next in the third, I will draw circle. In the fourth, get again small circle. Then 5 I will create at this point. So if you move to this timeline, it will be create for the animation like this. Okay, that's it for basic Krita tutorials, how to animation. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.